Hello tutor, hello classmates. My name is Juan Pablo Delgado Ruiz. Mad Sparrow and the Three Wheelbirds. I Fear Tale by Juan Pablo Delgado. Once upon a time there was a strong boy called Mad Sparrow. He was on the way to see best friend Marcus when he decided to take a shortcut through Yellowstone. I was no long before Mad go lost. He looked around, but all he could see were trees. Nervously, he fell into his bath for his favorite toy, Superman. But Superman was no here, though a phone might begin to panic. He felt sure he had packed Superman. To make matters worse, he was starting to feel hungry. Unexpectedly, he saw a wheelbarrow dressed in a black scarf disappearing into the trees. Oh, Thomas! For the one do anything better the two, he decided to follow the peculiarly dressed bear. Perhaps it could tell him the way out of the forest. Eventually, Mar reached a clearing. He found himself surrounded by houses made from different sorts of food. There was a house made from sweet potatoes, a house made from chocolates, a house made from pancakes, and a house made from cheese. Mad could feel his tummy rumbling, looking at the house, did nothing to ease his hunger. Hello, he called. Is anybody there? Nobody, replied Mad, looked at the road on the closet house and wondered if it would be rude to eat somebody else's chimney. Obviously, I would be important to eat at whole house, but perhaps I would be considered acceptable to nibble odd outfits or lie of footing in a tit on it. A cave rode through the air, giving Mother Fright a witch jumper into the space in front of the house. She was carrying a cage. In the cage was Superman. Superman, showed the mat. He turned to the witch. That is my toy. The witch just shrugged. Give, give it Superman back, cried Matt. No on your Nelly, said the witch. At least leave Superman out of the cage. Before she could reply, three wheelbirds roots in front of footpath on the other side of the clearing. Matt recognized the one in the black scarf that he'd seen earlier. The witch seemed to recognize him too. Hello, Bill Bear, said the witch. Good morning, the bear noted Superman. What it did? That it's Superman, explained the witch. Odd Superman went lovely in my house, even of the meat, demanded the bear. The witch shook her head. Superman is staying with me. Oh, excuse me, my interred Superman lies with me. I'm not in a cage. Big Bear ignored him. Is there nothing you will trade? He asked the witch. The witch thought for a moment, then said, I don't like to be interned. I will realize Hindu anybody who can eat or work from door. Bill Bear looked at the house made from cheese and said, no problem. I could eat entire house made from cheese. It is when to. That is nothing, said the next bear. I could eat the house. There is no need of the show off, said the witch. Just A on front door and will lead you at Superman. Mad Witch feeling very worried. Heading, hey, didn't one of the witches hit Superman to this beard? Hey, didn't think Superman will like living with that will beard away from his house and all his other toys. The other two beards wage will be beard, following his beard withered and is a knife and fork from his pocket. I will eat this whole house, say this beard. You would watch. By beard, by beard to the corner, by beard put a corner of front door of the house my friend chocolates. He gulped at Don smiling, and went back for more and more and more. Eventually, Big Bear started to get bigger, just a little bit bigger, at first but other a bit more full of chocolate. He agreed to on the side of the large snowball as he walks every bit around. I don't feel too good, said Bad Bear. Suddenly, he started to roll. He had grown so round that he could no longer balance. Help, he cried, as he rolled down and slow in the forest. Bill Bear never finished eating. The front door made from chocolate and Superman remained trapped in the witch cage. Average Bear stepped out and approached the house made from pancakes. I will eat this whole house, said Average Bear. You'd watch. Average Bear pulled out the corner of the front door of the house from made pancakes. She gulped it down smiling and went back for more, and more and more. Other away, average spirit started to lead a little quiet. She went greener and greener. A good creature walked in the clearing. What is this Butch doing here? He asked. I am not at Butch, I am at Bear, said Average Bear. I told exclaimed to Woodcutter. Those talking Butch are the worst king. I better take I wait before somebody with her. No way creates a very bait, and the woodcutter picked her out, but the woodcutter ignored her cries and carried the beard away under his arm. Average beard never finished eating the front door, my front pancakes, and Superman remained trapped in the witch cage. Little beard stepped out and approached the house made from cheats. I will eat it wallet house, sighed Little Beard. You watch. Like beat poured on the corner of the front door of the house made from cheese. He gulped it I down smiling and went back for more. For more and more and more. After 5 or 6 pleatifuls, Little Beard started to fight uncomfortable on the spot. He stopped eating cheese for a moment. Then grabbed another forkful, but before he could eat, there came an mile rock, a bottom more loader than a rocket taking odds. Properly lay beer on the teeth scale. Ah, cried Little Bear, I am scared of hay. Little Bear was never 7 again. Little Bear never finished eating the front door my front cheeks and Superman remained trapped in the witch cage. That it said the witch, I win, I get to kill Superman. Not so fast, said Matt. There is still on front door to go. The front door of the house made from sweet potatoes and not haven't had a tour yet. I don't to give you a tour. Laughed the witch. My game, my rules, the woodcutter boys carried through the forest. I think you should give him a chance. It is only fair. Fine, said the witch, but you saw what happened. All the birds he won last long. I will be right back, said Matt. What? Said the witch. What is your sign of impatience? I thought you went Superman back. Matt ignored the witch and gathered a heavy pile of sticks. He come back to the clearing and started a small campfire. Careful, He broke all the pits, all the door, all the house, Montfranc sweet potatoes, and touched that I over the fire. Once I had cooked and called just a light. He told a bite, he quickly devoured the whole bits. Mike sat down on an early log. You fake kicked the witch, you were supposed to aid of the world door. I haven't finished, explained Mike. I am just waiting for my food to go down. When Matt's foot had digested, he broke out another piece of the dormant from sweet potatoes. Once more, he touched his foot over the fire and waited for it to cool just a little. He eyed it at leisurely, passed then wait for it to digest. Eventually, after several sittings, Matt got down to the final pitch of the gourmet from sweet potatoes. Carefully, he touched in and allowed it could just alive. Had finished his final course, Matt had eaten the entire front door of the house. Matt from sweet potatoes, the widow Stamper forgot angrily. You must have tried me, she said. I don't know what she did. The witch looked horrified. She grabbed her brownies and plates at Benny here in, hoping she'd open the door of the cage. Matt hurried over and grabbed Superman, checked that his favorite toy was alright. Fortunately, Superman was unhurt. Matt turned to Woodcutter Gray at his sovereign and hurried on to meet Marcus. He was starting to get dark. One, when Matt got When Matt got to Marcus' house, his best friend threw his arm around him. I was so worried, cried Marcus. You are very late. As Matt described his day, he called it the Marcus did not believe in him. So when grabbed a napkin from his pocket. What is that? asked Marcus. Matt, unripe bit, a doorknob made from chocolates. Pudding, he'd say. Markle almond fell out his chair. The end. Thank you, tutor. Thank you, classmates. Bye bye.